And here I am today at Godrej Tropical Island, which is located in Noida in Sector 146. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the project overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas, and much more. But the most important part is the location. Now, this is located in Sector 146 in Noida, and yahan se highway is about 2 minutes walking distance, and the metro station is right outside the main gate. So connectivity from here is basically a cakewalk. And now it's time to talk a little more about this complete project. Now, the whole project is located in a land parcel of 6.18 acres, जिसमें आने वाले हैं 5 towers which will be of ground plus 30 floors of beautiful houses, and these are going to be only 700 units. मतलब this is a low density project. Talking about the carpet areas and the configurations, they have exclusive 4 BHKs जिनका area start होता है 3,221 square feet से and it goes up to 3,370 square feet. Now the best part is the amenities. Inside the house तो आपको जो भी मिलेगा वो मिलेगा, पर सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ जिसकी ज़रूरत है, that is the Godrej trademark, that is the CTFA. So you will get clear, filtered air inside your house every time you buy a Godrej property. Along with that, talking about the external amenities. Now, when I am telling you that the name of the project is Tropical Island, why are we saying that? Take a look at it. Doesn't it look like a tropical island to you? That's a lagoon swimming pool that you will get. That will also have a jacuzzi, a kid swimming pool, and also multiple other trees that are planted right next to your water bodies, which are going to give you the feel of you being in an island actually wherein you are in Delhi. Now, there are also other multiple amenities like the clubhouse, the kids play area, the open gymnasium, and a skywalk option as well. And along with that, you also get these cute little cabanas right over here, which are going to be next to the water bodies. And now I am sure you have absolutely fallen in love with the project. And here is the beautiful house. Now, is aisle area se we will enter into the house, but right at the entrance is your guest bedroom. Let's take a look at this one. The guest bedroom comes with wooden flooring and also with an attached toilet and wash. The washroom also comes with a glass shower cubicle, anti-skid tiles on the flooring, and also wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. Now, this is the balcony of your guest bedroom, जो कि connect होती है with your living area as well. Let's take a look at this. यहाँ पर है आपकी वो वाली connecting balcony. Living room or dining room दिखाने से पहले, I have loved the kitchen space. Let's take a look at this. Now, this is your kitchen area that comes with this beautiful service table right over here and this L-shaped kitchen workstation. Along with that, यहाँ पे आपका एक utility table भी है, जिसमें मिल जाएगा आपको ये quad tile. That is a quad sink, and this is your utility area as well, जिसमें आ जाएगा toughened glass, एक wooden ceiling और wooden flooring भी. आइए और जाके आपकी balcony देख लेते हैं कि balcony कितनी खूबसूरत है. Now, as I told you that these are going to be high-rise towers, so the view is going to be absolutely mesmerizing. Here comes your balcony, which comes with beautiful wooden flooring, a covered ceiling, and also a toughened glass railing. इसी balcony को connection मिलता है from your next bedroom, which is again worth a watch. Let's go and take a look at it. And here is your next bedroom. Well, here you are, welcome right inside the bedroom. Let's take a look at this one. ये है आपका अगला bedroom, जिसके साथ आपको मिल जाएगा एक attached toilet and wash भी. Coming out now, I think I would love to show you the master bedroom first and then the rest of the rooms, because the master bedroom comes with a very cute wraparound balcony. So पहले हम wraparound balcony देखते हैं और फिर बाकी का कमरा देखते हैं. So ये है आपकी wraparound balcony for your master bedroom. Let's come back into the master bedroom before we take a look at the rest of the things over here. ये है आपके मास्टर बेडरूम में वॉक इन वार्डरोब, और ये जो स्पेस है ना ये काफी अच्छी दी हुई है, नहीं तो नॉर्मली यू गेट टू सी दैट द स्पेस इज रियली कंजस्टेड, बट ओवर हियर यू हैव अ वेरी गुड स्पेस. अलोंग विद दैट हियर इज योर अटैच्ड टॉयलेट एंड वॉश फॉर द मास्टर बेडरूम. और ये है आपकी रैप अराउंड बालकनी जो कि कंटिन्यू हुई है फ्रॉम योर मास्टर बेडरूम एंड इट कंटिन्यूज राइट इनटू दिस रूम. एज यू कैन ऑलरेडी सी पूरी की पूरी बालकनी में टफ एंड ग्लास रेलिंग और स्टेनलेस स्टील फ्रेम है. बालकनी ऊपर से कवर्ड भी है. और ये है आपका अगला बेडरूम. Well, this one also obviously comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here, which comes again with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well. आखिरी बेडरूम जो बचा हुआ है वो देखने से पहले यहाँ पर है आपका पाउडर रूम. ये है आपका पाउडर रूम और बेसिकली इस टॉयलेट को यूटिलाइज किया जा सकता है एज द कॉमन बाथरूम और द वन दैट वी जस्ट सॉ व्हिच इज अटैच्ड विद योर बेडरूम राइट ओवर हियर. And this is your study area. Well, ये तो था आपका खूबसूरत सा घर, लेकिन कुछ और बातें आपसे करनी बाकी हैं. And now that I have told you everything about this project, I'm sure you want to know कि इसकी बुकिंग कैसे करनी है. Well, बुकिंग का प्रोसेस बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है because Property Cloud does not charge you any brokerage and we have multiple options for payments and multiple discounts also. आपको सिर्फ करना है नीचे दिए गए कैप्शन में लिंक को क्लिक and our salesperson will get in touch with you and will also offer you a free pickup and drop service ताकि आप देख सके आपका ड्रीम होम इन नोएडा and all over India. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.
Property Cloud.
Thank you.